Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we will be doing a deep dive into EURUSD based on recent news and chart analysis. First, let's look at the current events surrounding EURUSD. Recent Google searches and financial news websites show a mixed sentiment. The EURUSD ended a 3-week losing streak according to various sources, briefly recovering towards the 1.0600 level before encountering selling pressure. The US dollar gapped lower at the start of the week, influencing the EURUSD pair's movement. Now, let's transition to the chart data. We'll begin with the daily chart for a broad overview of EURUSD's performance. The daily chart shows a recent period of consolidation, with the price fluctuating within a defined range. Notice the increase in volume during periods of significant price changes. Higher volume often confirms the strength of a trend. Over the past few weeks, we've seen price action bounce between support levels around 1.05 and resistance near 1.06. Let's zoom into the 1-hour chart to see the more immediate price action. Here we can analyze short-term trends and potential reversal patterns within this range. The 1-hour chart provides a more detailed view of recent price fluctuations and smaller timeframe trends. For a more granular look at potential reversals or breakouts, let's view the 15-minute time frame. The 15-minute chart highlights short-term price volatility, which helps to identify quick trades based on the current moment. Observe how the price is consolidating around 1.05. This may present short-term opportunities to make smaller gains. Short-term, the EURUSD appears to be consolidating, with potential breakouts possible in either direction. The market is relatively uncertain at the moment. We can see from the hourly chart a recent attempt to break above resistance, but it was unsuccessful, suggesting more sideways movement. Long-term, the overall trend will depend on macroeconomic factors and economic data. The daily chart indicates the presence of support around 1.05 and resistance levels near 1.06. A sustained break above 1.06 could signal a bullish trend, while a break below 1.05 could be a bearish indicator, opening the possibility of further losses. The 15-minute chart shows the short-term volatility, but without clear direction, which is important to consider. Let's take a closer look at the period between October 22nd and November 5th. This time frame demonstrates the price action in the context of recent news. If the EURUSD breaks above the 1.06 resistance level with strong volume, it would increase the probability of a short-term bullish reversal. However, a decisive break below the 1.05 support level may initiate a steeper downturn. Keep an eye on key economic indicators such as the non-farm payrolls data. This data release could greatly influence EURUSD. In conclusion, the EURUSD market remains uncertain at the moment. Volatility can be expected, and short-term trades could be profitable based on the observed price action. Remember, this is just an analysis, not financial advice. Always do your own research before trading. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode of Explain the Charts.